The beautiful bright color of beetroot can make anyone fall in love with them, yet they're ignored, perhaps because of their distinctive taste. If you're not a fan, you might want to think of an easier way to still enjoy the many health benefits of beetroot without having to actually eat it. Beetroots are best enjoyed raw and uncooked, and juicing them up is a quick and simple method of consuming them. Add ginger to the mix, which is known for being one of the most powerful natural medicines in the world, and you're on to a winner. Here's everything you need to know about the health benefits of beetroot and ginger juice. 1. It manages your blood pressure. One of the benefits of beetroot juice and ginger is that it can help in temporarily lowering high blood pressure. One reason for this is the presence of naturally occurring nitrates in beets, which increase nitric oxide in the blood vessels, allowing more oxygen to flow to your brain, heart, and muscles. The anti-inflammatory compounds in ginger can also help manage blood pressure. One study review found that ginger can lower blood pressure and decrease blood fat levels, both of which help protect against heart disease. 2. It gives you glowing skin. If you're healthy from within, it reflects on the outside. Beetroot and ginger juice act as a great blood purifier, which is key in keeping your skin glowing and healthy. Beetroots are also rich in vitamin C, which helps in clearing blemishes and evens out your skin tone while giving it a natural glow. 3. It's a great way to detox naturally. Beetroots are a unique source of phytonutrients. These compounds are known for their powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and detoxification properties. For this reason, beetroot juice in particular is a great liver cleanser and helps to flush out toxins. Ginger has also proved an effective detoxing food, with some studies linking it to benefits in weight loss. And there's definitely some promising research linking ginger to weight management. 4. Boost energy and stamina. Beetroot and ginger juice helps to open the blood vessels and increase the flow of oxygen throughout your body, making you feel more energetic and active. That's why so many people prefer to drink this juice in the morning, so they can enjoy an energized start to the day. It has often been promoted as a great workout drink and good for athletes, thanks to its ability to increase oxygen to the muscles, preparing them for the stress ahead. 5. Good for digestion. Beetroot and ginger juice is full of fiber, which helps to regulate digestive processes and relieve constipation. Beetroot is also beneficial for good digestive health. It's thought that beetroot increases stomach acid levels. A glass of beetroot and ginger juice is also a great home remedy for an upset stomach. Research has linked multiple digestive benefits to ginger, specifically feelings of nausea, stomach upset, and vomiting. It may also help move food from the stomach to the small intestine for digestion and absorption. 6. Lowers blood glucose. Diabetes is a huge problem around the world, and while drinking beetroot and ginger juice is far from a diabetes cure, it may help somewhat in preventing and managing it. Research has linked some active compounds in ginger with improvements in insulin and metabolism. And though high in sugar, beetroot actually helps in regulating your blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that it doesn't lead to high glucose concentration in the blood. The natural sugars in beetroot are released very slowly in the body, preventing sudden spikes. 7. It's an anti-inflammatory. Like other produce, ginger and beets contain antioxidant-like compounds that may reduce cell damage. The root of ginger can also prevent inflammation by reducing cell signaling activity. Another reason to drink the two together. 8. Can curb morning sickness. Pregnant women, take note. Ginger and beetroot juice may help reduce symptoms of morning sickness. Research has found that it's safe to take ginger during pregnancy, and it has shown improvement in morning sickness symptoms when compared to a placebo. 9. May lower your risk of cancer. The cell-protecting properties of ginger can lower the long-term risk of certain cancers. That's because the spice and other flavorings can reduce cellular activity that causes DNA changes, cell death, and proliferation of cancer cells. So, how can you make beetroot and ginger juice? Well, it's quick and easy, though you will need a juicer or a blender for the job. Start by washing and scrubbing your beets and ginger. Peel and cut the beets and ginger into small pieces that you can feed into the juicer. Many people also choose to squeeze a little lemon juice, but that's completely up to you. Stir well and drink up. If you only have a blender, don't panic. You can still make the juice with it. Just remove the peels from your ingredients, blend until smooth, and then strain through a nut milk bag or fine mesh sieve, squeezing to get out as much juice as possible. If you don't currently start your day with beetroot and ginger juice, what are you waiting for? This simple concoction is incredibly healthful, so it's definitely worth adding to your diet sooner rather than later. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 6 health benefits of baking soda and apple cider vinegar tonic drink. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.